I was Googling and I asked AI, what is the world's greatest serum of all time? And these are the two serums that they listed. The very first one is the SkinCeutical CE Ferulic. I think this is like $200. And then the second one that they like pulled from tons of different websites that said tons of dermatologists rave about this and say this is the world's best serum is this one from 𝑠kin_medica. It's been a holy grail of mine for like 8 years. It's their Advanced TNS Growth Factor Serum. So I wanted to do something kind of fun and share with you why, in my opinion, and I think in many of you guys' opinion, why you think that these are not the world's greatest serums, even though AI and Google pulled from all these different dermatology websites. So today we are canceling what Google and AI says. And so I'm gonna share with you what I think and what I know many of you think would be the world's greatest serum. Now, first one, 𝑠kin_medica TNS Advanced Growth Factor Serum. This is a holy grail and it's phenomenal, but you guys, it's $300, so I have always hesitated to share my love for this. But this brand, Skincare Generics, a few months ago, they pretty much duped this, or I like to say it's a more affordable alternative. You could buy 7 of these for the price of this, and the ingredients list in their Active Pro Serum is 100% identical as the ingredients list in this $300 product. So I think that we should cancel what the internet is saying that this is the world's best serum, and I think this should be the world's best serum because even though they're 100% same ingredients, this one is like what, 83 or 85% cheaper than this with 100% the exact same ingredients. But I've been using this for a few months and I absolutely cannot even tell a difference between these other than the fact that I'm saving a ton of money. This is great to help firm the skin. This is great to help with fine lines and wrinkles. This also is really great to help brighten and just give an overall beautiful, healthy radiance to the skin. Not only are they 100% the same ingredients, but you guys, everything about them is identical in my opinion, and I can't even tell a difference other than, of course, the packaging. So instead of paying a ton of money for this, $300 for this, I would choose the Skincare Generics Active Pro Serum because you could buy like 7 of these for the price of one of those. So the other serum, actually this was the first one that they said is the world's greatest serum. This is the SkinCeutical CE Ferulic, and dermatologists have raved about this for years because this is a pure form of vitamin C serum and it's just been a holy grail of a lot of people. But it's like what, $180 or $200, and that's really expensive for vitamin C serums. Now maybe 10-15 years ago there wasn't a lot of competition, but now I think their patent ran out, but also now other brands have come out with products that are 100% identical dupe as this for a fraction of the price. Now I have tried a ton of different dupes or affordable alternatives to this one, the SkinCeutical CE Ferulic, but just to be honest, I'm 53, but I'm still super acne prone, go figure. And so pure form vitamin C over the years has really irritated my skin. It would start to cause, you know, breakouts and redness and irritation. So for the past, I don't know, 3-4 years, this has been my all-time favorite from the brand Medic 8, and this is their Super C Ferulic, not their C Tetra Luxe. Now this one doesn't have the same L-ascorbic acid as the one that Google says is the world's best serum, but this has a super high strength but a more stabilized form of vitamin C, and it's really good if you have dark spots or if you deal with acne like I do. So this is what I've used for many, many years, but it's not necessarily super affordable, so I only like to share it when it's on a big sale, and I think it's 25% off right now. So instead of me just sharing with you a replacement, which I'm going to share here in a second, I also wanted to cancel what Google and AI is saying, and let's cancel spending a ton of money on skincare products when now there's so much competition out there. Now there's so many great brands out there that will save us a ton of money. So even though I do really love this, this has been a holy grail. This one from Maylove, this is their Glow Maker, and this is a pure vitamin C serum like the SkinCeuticals for a fraction of the price, and I think this is on sale right now too. Now, like I said, I have dealt with, you know, acne irritation from using this pure form of vitamin C, but I started testing this again maybe a month or so ago, and it's about down to here now, and I'm not dealing with any breakouts or irritation from this at all. So even though AI is saying this $200 one is the world's greatest serum, we are going to cancel that, and we're going to say no, a more affordable pure form L-ascorbic acid is the world's greatest serum. That's what's so funny, you know, skincare years ago, I mean, many years ago, it was just a few things like Pond's, cold cream, you know, oil of Olay, things like that. And so now there are just so many products on the market, and I get it that it does get confusing because there are a ton of products on the market. Now, if you get super confused with skincare and you're overwhelmed by all the different 20-some step skincare routines that you see online, I'm gonna pop a video that I just did up here sharing with you the only 3 skincare products that we actually need. And this is something that many dermatologists have shared over the years as well. But if you are just tired of all of the noise of buy this, buy that, you need this one, you gotta spend $300, $400 for this serum, I'm gonna pop that video up here if you want to click on it and check it out. Hopefully it'll help you out. And so while we're on the topic of not paying a ton of money for skincare, this product has also been a holy grail of mine. This is from the brand Is Clinical. It's their cleansing complex. If you go back and watch many of my videos over the past 8 years, I have shared this so many times of how it's a holy grail cleanser. Well, this same brand that has duped 𝑐𝑻𝑯𝑬𝑃's TNS growth factor serum, the skincare generics duping it with their Active Pro serum that is like 83% cheaper, they also duped my holy grail cleanser of all time. And you guys, this is called their clean cleanser. It's 100% identical ingredients. That's what's funny. So many dupes on the market, they're like, oh, we've duped such and such, but only a fraction of their ingredients are the same. These 2 products from the brand Skincare Generics, they have exactly 100% the same ingredients list and in the exact order. Now, of course, we would never know the exact concentrations and things like that, but from somebody who has used this and who has used this for 8 years, you cannot tell the difference. And those of you that have left me comments that have used these, you're like, oh my gosh, they are 100% identical and nobody can tell a difference. This company, Skincare Generics, they have knocked it out of the park duping these high-end products. And why do we need to pay $50 for a cleanser? This one is so much more affordable and it has 100% the exact same ingredients. I have another video sharing how this is not just a cleanser and how this is an exfoliator, it's a toner, it's a face mask. And I have another video if you want to see more details on this cleanser, but it is phenomenal. As you can tell, I love this cleanser so much that I just bought 3 more. Oh, and by the way, their growth factor serum that's a dupe for the super pricey 𝑐𝑻𝑯𝑬𝑃, this is sold out like 2 or 3 times. It's probably going to sell out again. So if this is something that you want to get, I never try to tell people, you know, buy this, you need this. But a lot of people were frustrated when it sold out the last 2 times. So a lot of people in my comments are saying I'm not willing to go without it. They do have a discount code, 10% off if you are a brand new customer. But you guys, I mean, it's already so ridiculously discounted. Like I said, you can buy 7 of them for the price of 1 of these. But what they did is they also have kits of these in 2 and 3. And so even if you're not a new customer, if you buy the kit of 3, you automatically get the 10% off discount anyways. So that's what a lot of people are doing because they're not willing to run out of this since it's so impressive. Now, I'm not saying, because people have said, well, do you hate this product now? No, I don't hate it, I love it. It's identical to this. But I think the real question is, am I gonna keep buying this? And the answer to that is probably not. Like, I haven't repurchased it. And this is also on a huge sale right now. So, and same thing with this. I probably won't repurchase it, you know, unless there's some crazy sale and, you know, I'm buying it to share a demonstration in a video. I do have 2 bottles of this left, so of course it's not gonna go to waste. I'll keep using it, but you know, if the ingredients are the same, the performance and, you know, the results I get are 100% identical, why do I need to buy this? Now, there are like a few people that are like, I don't care, I'm only gonna buy the super expensive stuff because they want that luxury kind of experience, romance of using super duper fancy packaging. And hey, if it's in your budget, go for it. If that's what you enjoy, go for it. Use what makes you happy. All right, and on that same train of let's not pay full price for anything anymore and let's try to find the more affordable products, there is one product that I have used, golly, since I was 28 years old. Out of all my skincare, out of all my holy grails, I'm now 53, I have one product that I have been very faithful to, and that I cannot even count how many bottles of this I've purchased. It's probably, this brand is what got me interested in skincare, but the product that I've used since I was 28 years old is this from Paula's Choice. It's their 2% BHA, and this one's almost empty, but of course I have like 2 more backups. This, since I do deal with acne, as I mentioned, this was the product that really got me into skincare because I was so blown away at how impressive this is. And even if you don't have acne, if you just have kind of more large pores, or maybe you have some blackheads and you just want to kind of resurface your skin from the inside out, from the inside of your pore out, this type of acid that's in here, it goes deep down inside our pore and basically just chemically scoops out anything that's stretching out our pores. Or if you have acne, like what I've dealt with, it helps to kind of eat up any of that acne that's inside our pore. And this product, I mean, especially if you only concentrate it on your nose, this area here, if that's where your pores are larger, using this just a few times a week, it'll just give you that super shiny kind of glass looking skin because your pores look so tight when using this. So in turn, that gives you that really beautiful radiant glass skin. But this is a holy grail. It has been since I was 28. And I think this is on a 30% off sale right now. In fact, this product right here, we don't want to pay full price for this, even though this is a holy grail. This is the Paula's Choice 7% Ectoin Serum. Now, I do have a few products from Paula's Choice that I love, again, because it's the very first skincare brand that, you know, I fell in love with many, many years ago. But I don't like everything. And I don't love the price of this product. I think it's like 40 bucks or something like that. This is the most beautiful serum if you want to have the glowiest, healthiest, hydrated, plump skin. But I don't like to share it unless it's on sale. And since we're kind of canceling super expensive products in this video, this is 30% off right now. So if you love this, the way I know many of you do, you might want to take advantage of that sale. Oh, speaking of this product from Medigate, the Super C Ferulic, if you love this brand the way I do, I know many of you love this retinol serum. This is their crystal retinol. Now I use the highest strength 24. There is no other retinaldehyde on the market this high of strength. Now there are some retinaldehydes on the market that are, you know, similar, but not this high. This is the Mac Daddy of all over-the-counter retinaldehydes that you can purchase. But it's expensive, especially when you go into this super high strength, and this is on a huge sale right now. So if you love, love, love this, I wanted to let you know that it's on sale. This one from Prequel is the closest one that I found that I personally think is a phenomenal retinaldehyde. It's not as strong as this one, but it's still really, really lovely. And you know, this is my second one already. I especially like this on my neck in the evening. And I think this is on a big sale right now too. Anyways, just trying to even help save you even more money, sharing some more affordable ones. One other thing that I want to share that I think if you are of the mature age, you are going to love. But I was doing my makeup today, and normally I prep my under eyes really well before I do my makeup, and I don't even know what I was thinking. I just forgot to do what I normally do. And so I grabbed this product from Nude Sticks. This is their Dewy Barrier Hydrating Stick. And I had gotten this in PR a little while back, and I was just kind of putting it on my neck. And I thought, ooh, this is really pretty. It really kind of protects the skin barrier and leaves this really pretty kind of glow to the skin. And so I was like, you know what? Let me see if I could just put this underneath my eyes right over top of my concealer after I did it. And I've already done it once, but I'm just doing it again to kind of show you what I did. So I just take a little bit of this, and you guys, it's not lifting up my concealer or anything like that. It's just basically getting rid of that crusty, cracky, dry, cakey look under the eyes. So since we're canceling a bunch of other things in this video, I wanted to cancel having crusty, dusty under eyes. So make sure you do proper eye prep, but if you forget, the way I somehow did today, this Dewy Hydrating Stick from Nude Sticks, this is phenomenal. After I applied it underneath my eyes over top of my concealer, I was like, wow, this is an amazing product. So I went on their website and I was like, oh, let me read some of the comments. A ton of people are raving about this. One of the comments made me giggle. She said, this isn't a hydrating stick, this is a magic stick, which, I mean, it is. It was pretty much magic what this did to my under eyes, so I thought that was kind of neat. But I saw on their website, they're having, here it is, they're having 25% off. I hope this video helps save you a ton of money. And if you have any super expensive products that you think need to be canceled, that you know of a product that is so much better, performs better, and is much more affordable, leave me those comments down below. I actually learned about this brand, Skincare Generics, from one of you guys. So I love hearing about all of your different finds and things that you're saving money on and things that you're loving. So leave me a comment. I love to hear from you all, and I hope you have a beautiful weekend.